Project 4 knife. We have this EF922. I'm going to disassemble, and first I want to know if these jade scales are separate, so let's get on with it. Probably place a cloth down. That's where I fail every time on disassembly, not having a cloth down. Let's see if I can get this scale to come out. Yes. It's a separate piece. Sweet. Yeah. That's probably the part that holds the knife in there. Okay. Let's take this scale off next. Thankfully, this knife is hopefully going to disassemble easy. I imagine these are very long screws that go through the scales. Yes. So many times that I have a disassembled a knife, it's not easy. It will like have some Loctite in there. Okay, so these are like basically barrels that hold the pocket clip up. I like my new tool from iFixit. I bought it on DnAhanks.com and has a WeHob bit. I like it. Will probably last longer than my usual tools from Husky. And they're magnetic too. Also, okay, let's see if I can get these. Yeah, it's stuck in there. So I was thinking that screw, and it has a surround, but maybe it's part of the screw itself. If that surround is indeed a surround, I'm going to leave that satin, but I'll bronze the screw itself. So let's see. There's definitely some Loctite on there. Whoa. Yeah, okay. Man, so it's not a surround. I was so hoping this raised surface was a surround, but it's not. It's part of the screw. So scratch that idea. Oh. Yes. Okay. Wow, it's on bearings. I thought it was probably on bearings because it was it was quite a good action, but you never know with these cheaper knives. So yeah, unfortunately this raised lip around there is not separate from the screw. And let's see if it has a D-shape. Yeah, it has a D-shaped pivot. All right, so these will probably stay black because I don't know how to deal with them. I don't think they'll take on a color at all. So, but I'll do a color something with these. I haven't decided. And these are the liners with the D-tint ball on the both sides. So, and this is the blade, which I am going to acid wash. Oh, okay. I didn't see this blade stop that popped out. I'm like, where's the blade stop? Okay. Yeah. Okay. It's a thin little blade stop. Thin. I was thinking I just lost the blade stop, or there never was a blade stop, but it's in there. Alright. Okay, next time you see this, it will be stone washed or acid etched and stone washed. Yeah. Take care, Wastelanders.